Look, if you're going through stressful situation in your life, I have a few tips that can help you manage your stress. You know, this helped me. Maybe help you guys out. I figured I just share it. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better. Do better and be better. Let's get it. Let's go. When you wake up every morning, I want you to pick and choose how you feel. You know, if you were sad yesterday, wake up tomorrow with a positive attitude and with happy thoughts in your mind and try to be happy. You know, we pick and choose how we feel. If you allow something to take effect in your life, it's going to affect your life. But if you choose to be happy and you choose to look for a better day, it's going to come. If you have friends, family, people who support you at what you do, you know, be grateful about that. So don't stress out. Go talk to them about your situation. Sometimes talking is the best way to let out your frustration and stress. Get it off your chest. If you're stressed out, go to the gym, exercise, run around the park a few laps. Do something that's going to benefit your health, make you a better person, even if you're stressed out. What I usually do, I watch comedy shows because, you know, I hear all the jokes and it makes me laugh and it makes me smile, and I don't think about any other negativity or what stressful situation that I'm going through. Try that, y'all. It helps. Look, if you haven't meditated before, y'all should try it. Like, I thought meditation was just whatever, but when I did it, man, it feels good. I'm telling you, try it. It's well worth it. If you're stressed out, take some time for yourself and just relax. Go get some fresh air, breathe a little bit, you know. Do something that'll clear your mind. And I guarantee you, when you come back and work on your tasks, you're gonna knock it out real fast. You'll be like, oh, I was stressed out for no reason. Alright, y'all, this concludes the video. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're dealing with stress, just know that it's okay. Take some time, work on yourself, and try to be the best. You know, it's okay if you fail. It's okay if things not going your way. Just breathe and relax, okay? I'll see you guys next time on the next inspirational, motivational video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire team where we get better. Do better and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go.